హాయ్ హలో వెల్కమ్ టు టీ ఆఫ్ పీసీ, దిస్ ఇస్ కావ్య. సో సంక్రాంతి వచ్చిందంటే చాలు చాలా సినిమాలు రిలీజ్ అవుతుంటాయి. కోవిడ్ కంటే ముందు పరిస్థితి వేరేలా ఉండే, ఇప్పుడు మాత్రం ఇంకా సూపర్ డూపర్గా సినిమాలు రిలీజ్ అవుతున్నాయి. అందులో రెడ్, రామ్ పోతినేని అండ్ మాలవిక శర్మ. సో ఈ సినిమా సంక్రాంతికి సందర్భంగా రిలీజ్ అవబోతుంది. సో ఆ మూవీ విశేషాలు మనతో షేర్ చేసుకోవడానికి మాలవిక శర్మ ఇస్ విత్ మీ. Let's welcome. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. So first of all, congratulations for
Thank you.
for your lawyer certificate.
Yeah, but that's why you gave me the bouquet. Like for what purpose you were
For all
congratulating?
purpose.
For film
Because
also and
during COVID you have done a film.
yeah.
So
Yeah,
great.
because I think at this moment I'm really confused that why are people congratulating me? Like, is it because of the film or is it because of the degree? Because I've been getting so many congratulations.
So let's talk about the Red film. So how did that offer came to you?
So for the film, Ravi Kishore sir actually what like texted me on WhatsApp, like just hey, what's up, where are you, and what's your plan of coming to Hyderabad? And I was like, I'm in Mumbai sir right now, but then I'll be coming to Hyderabad next week because I was doing my internship here. And that's when I went to the office and I met sir and I met Kishore sir and he narrated me the story. And that's just it, that I just he narrated me the story, and that's just at that time I felt कि नहीं, this is something that I as an audience would love to watch it, so I have to be a part of this film. And because it was a performance oriented role, so Kishore so wanted me he wanted an audition for it, and he wanted to do a look test, so that's what we did. He told me to perform a particular scene, like a very important scene from the film, which I did, and then I got the part.
Wow. Okay. Why did you accept this story? Because of story or a director or hero? What was the thing?
Everything. I mean, Kishore sir is an amazing director. Ram, I mean, why would I say no to work with Ram? I mean, of
Did you
course.
heard about him or did you watch his films before?
Yeah, I did actually. Yeah, I mean, I have watched his film, and he is an amazing actor.
Did you watch Ismail
Yes, I
Shankar?
did. Yeah.
Yeah. How did you felt?
Amazing. I mean, it's great after watching his Smart Shankar and after watching him on set, like two complete different personalities, and the person he is in real life, he is a lot of characters, I mean, when he's on set, he is the character, as in I've seen him as Siddharth when he's on set, like before the take, after the take, or during the take, he is in that character, he is Siddharth. And once, like after the pack up, I think then he goes in that Ram wala zone, but he is always in the character when he's on set.
Okay. Previously, we have watched your film Neela Ticket. We know the character which you played in that, but in Red film, what is your character? How it will be?
For the film Neela Ticket, actually I was just being myself. That's just how I am in real life. Like when you watch that film, that's just me in my real life. I didn't have to do anything extra for it, but for this film, this character is very different from how I am in real life, and this is for the first time that I got the chance to portray and to be someone else. This is the first time as an actor I got that chance, and that's why I think, because this girl is not some girl who's just just girl next door and bubbly girl, or that kind of girl. Nahi, yes hi nahi hai, she is very different. So I think when I got the narration, Kishore sir, when he narrated me my character, I think that's when I just felt ki nahi, this is something that I have to do, I have to be a part of this one. And the love track, I mean, it was so cute, and you just feel it, that when I was listening the story also, the story is so cute and the love track is so beautiful that I just felt like, nahi, I have to do this. I mean, I have to part, and I'm so glad and blessed that I got to be a part of this film. I mean, the part of being a part of the film is in itself a privilege, and being a part of such a beautiful film, and the cast and everyone, it's amazing. I mean, I got to work with Shravanti Movies.
Yeah,
and
big banner.
Kishore, big banner, Kishore sir and Ram. I mean, what could I have asked for more? Matlab, I've been just really lucky and blessed.
can we say like this role is very challenging for you?
I can't say very challenging, but I can say it's different. And Kishore sir, though, I think few things. I mean, actually, a lot of things are very different. I mean, Kishore sir told me for the first thing that you have to stop doing is, because I have like a lot of hand gestures and head movements when I speak. So he told me that this is a very mature character, and this character is mature than my age. So for me to understand how I'm going to be after 4 years, I mean, I just saw a few films where women behave in a mature way, or there are mature characters, or I did that, and because he told me that don't do a lot of head movements and hand gestures, this character is this, and then this is how you have to perform. I tried to do that, and I think what I've performed and what I've done in this film is all Kishore sir. I wouldn't have been able to perform the way I did in this film if it wasn't for him. I mean, for me, I think मैं आती and just अपने हिसाब से dialogues बोल के चली जाती. But Kishore sir, he got the performance out of me. I mean, the character was pretty simplified for me because he told me how the thought process of the character is and everything. So it really depends on the director, I think, how you're gonna perform.
Yeah.
It does. And one of the most beautiful thing is that he never called me Malvika on set.
What
He called me Mahima. That's the name of my character. And I mean, it's nice that my director could see Mahima in me on sets also, or maybe he just wanted me to stay in the character. I don't know what was it, but it felt nice. I mean, hearing Mahima, so I'm here. Mahima is here.
Okay, you're also involved in that.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's nice. It's nice, if a director is putting so much efforts. Matlab, he wants me to stay in the character, so he's calling me Mahima. He's not calling me Malvika. I mean, that's beautiful.
Okay. So how you're feeling in Tollywood film industry? How is that?
Tollywood has been really welcoming. I mean, from the time I have entered Tollywood, I think I got great response, and people are really sweet and really loving. And I mean, because I come from Mumbai, and then it's a different culture there, it's a different culture here. I come from a different state, but then people are really welcoming here.
In which culture you are most comfortable? Say
mean,
honestly, no problem. Because you are used to that culture, right? Here it will be like timings and everything are different. There it will be like night culture.
That is something. So when I was shooting also for my first film, that is something that I really miss, is partying. Because I am from Mumbai, and we party a lot.
Yeah.
I mean, we do. And college. I'm a college going girl, of course I party. This is my age to party. So that is something which I miss, and during this lockdown we couldn't do that. But but then other than that, nothing else. I enjoy it here. I mean, I love it here, and I love the response here. I love how people are so sweet and so welcoming here. And in Mumbai also, I love it there. And this city is always going to be very close to my heart, because my debut film, it's from the city. I started my career from here, so yeah.
Okay. So you're very talkative. You're not giving a chance to speak for me.
Am I?
I love it actually. You're not like you're an advocate, I know.
Yeah.
So coming to your actual profession, so being an advocate, how was it, this journey happened, and did you like छोटे से गोल रहते क्या lawyer होने के लिए?
So when I was 10 at that time, I decided that I want to be a criminal lawyer. Like, it wasn't ki
Why criminal lawyer? Why you are so?
Because my grandfather was a criminal lawyer, and maybe because the time I think he passed away, that's when I decided that this is something that I wanted to
carry that.
Yeah.
Super.
And because I've seen him and I loved what he was doing, and I still remember his cabinet was full of books, and when I was 10 years old, I actually, got that book out of the cabinet, and I was like, this is something that I want to do. And that was it. But it wasn't easy. I mean, the journey of becoming a lawyer was not at all easy for me, because I come from a Brahmin family. I come from a North Indian background, and because my dad is from Mathura, and that we the North Indians, I think they have a preconceived notion that if a girl is has chosen a profession like law, it's not easy for them to get married. Because I mean, it is there कि हाँ अच्छा चलो ठीक है, अगर ये वकील है तो बहुत झगड़ालू होगी, ऐसी होगी वैसी होगी, तो वो प्रॉब्लम होता है. And because I don't have siblings, so maybe that's why my parents were really concerned. Like, not my mom always wanted me to be a lawyer, but my dad, he's like नहीं यानी you can't choose this profession. I mean, ऐसा होगा वैसा होगा. So he wanted me to be a chartered accountant, and I did try it. I gave my entrance CPT, and I cleared it, and then I went for the IPCC. But that's something that I didn't want to do, and I'm very bad at accounts and math. It's not my forte.
Not cup of your tea.
Yeah, no. But I love law, and that's something that I've been doing great at. Like I'm great at it. So not great, I would say, but ठीक है, मतलब आई क्लियर्ड माई LLB डिग्री फर्स्ट क्लास से, तो आई कैन से कि ठीक है चलो मैं कर रही हूँ, कुछ तो अच्छा कर रही हूँ. तो and my dad told me that if you have to study law, you have to go and earn your own money and pay your own fees, because I don't want you to study this. So I was like, ठीक है, I'll do it. And that's how I started looking for jobs in call centers and something like that, but they don't really pay much. So I kind of gave an audition for ad Gioni Mobile, and I got the part. I did the ad. Later on, I started giving auditions, and
it all happened like that.
Yeah, it all happened. It all started like that, but then I got into an acting workshop. It was a very intense workshop, and I think after that, that was the time when I decided कि नहीं, this is the profession that I want to go forward in, and I want to be an actor. That is the time I decided, because I loved what I was doing. Because in commercials, you're not really acting, or you're not playing another character, but when you are in acting school, you're playing different characters, you know the intensity of everything. So I think I loved it, and I feel that acting is like meditation. Because जैसे ही एक्शन और कट होता है, उसके बीच में you're not thinking anything else. You are just in the character. You are just thinking about the lines, or maybe you are in that thought process, and nothing else comes to your mind, like nothing else. So yeah,
it's like how you did advocate same films को भी ऐसे study करे जैसा दिख रहे मेरे को. You observed in detail, right? About movies, how to act, how to keep your facial expressions, because after Nela Ticket, after watching this film, some glimpse, I can see the change. I can see the lots of change in you. The way you speak and everything.
I've noticed so much, and thank you. I've worked really hard for it.
Yeah,
I'm glad that you noticed. No one has noticed it yet. I think you are the first person who has noticed. Thank you so much. Yeah, but then I've worked really hard. No one noticed it. I mean, I've worked on
because
everything.
I have seen your interviews before and now also. The way you are speaking also, the explaining, you got so much experience, I think.
Not experience, but confidence.
Yeah, confidence.
And I think
confidence came because of some experience, right? A little bit more.
Can I say that the confidence is because I feel that I am something right now, and not in acting profession, but I think because I am a lawyer, I am a member of the bar council. I mean, it's I get goosebumps every time I say it, because that has really happened. I am a licensed lawyer. I think that has just given some confidence in me. I wasn't that confident before. I think after I have achieved this much, I think after that I've become little confident कि चलो ठीक है. Now कुछ तो life में something is going good. Yeah, I think after that.
Very nice. So an advocate, some actor, Tollywood film heroes, I wanted to ask you few questions, showing some images. You have to describe them. You have to judge them.
Arre
What is
baapre.
that? So I'm showing you first hero. He's like very stylish. Not your stylish boy. I know you are a fan of Allu Arjun.
Yeah.
But I don't have his picture.
Acha, okay.
So you wanted? Do you wanted to say anything about Allu Arjun?
I mean, I think I'm fan of Telugu films, and I love watching Telugu films. I think the content they have in this industry is very different and very new. I mean, I think recently one of my friend who was just watching this Bollywood film which released recently, and she was like, "यार, there has been such a long time जब से Bollywood में अच्छी फिल्में नहीं आई है." But when you watch Telugu films, I think Telugu films have like really good content.
Wow.
That's what I feel. So, I mean, and about the actors, I mean, they are great. They are great dancers. All the actors are great performers, amazing actors, and when you watch them on screen, it's really amazing. And you just feel ki, "Arey, I want to work with him. I want to work with him. I want to. I just want to be a part of good films." That's what I feel.
Wow. Yes. So my first picture.
Oh, Vijay Deverakonda.
So what do you feel about him? As now you are an advocate, right? So tell something about him.
I mean, he's looking decent and
Decent.
because he's wearing a suit. He's looking hot.
Hot. Right. Vijay Deverakonda is hot. Statement by Malika
अरे यार
Sharma.
नहीं नहीं नहीं
It's okay. It's
can
okay.
take-
It's
I
okay.
can take my-
I wanted to see you to act with him because
Okay.
I think your pair look very good. My imagination was like that.
Acha.
Okay. Akhil Akhineni.
Akhil.
Nagarjuna's.
Yeah, I know. I have met him.
When did you met?
Actually, for some film I met him and we did a look test together.
Oh.
So I feel, because I've met him like once, I feel he's a very shy person. So I can say just shy. Can I use the word shy for him?
Shy.
Yeah.
Okay. How was that experience? Like meeting him, greeting him.
Very nice, very sweet guy, very sweet, and yeah, I think that's the word I would use, shy.
I don't want to comment anything because she already you read him, I think, right? So what did you observe in Ram? Tell something about him.
Smart.
Smart.
As in, smart as in, I think he is someone who has, you can just strike a conversation with him on any topic. On any topic. And
Knowledge, yeah.
he is, damn knowledgeable. And even though I have studied law for like 3 years, now I'm pretty sure that he knows more about law than I do. He is very,
This is interesting.
He's very smart. He's really, really very smart. So I
Smart
think
from inside or outer?
brain
is very smart.
yes.
Ram Potineni brain is very smart antuna
He
Malaika
is really
Sharma.
smart. I'm telling you, if you sit with him, any topic, I'm telling you, he'll have information on any topic.
Oh,
I'm,
that's great, no?
I'm giving him as a compliment. Like,
Yeah.
aisa ki, I've studied law for 3 years, but then still, I'm pretty sure he knows more about law than I do. And I mean, he is.
Our pan-India star.
Great actor.
Yeah. Apart from that.
That's
It's like girl things, right? Tell something about him.
You're showing me a picture of his abs. So
That's why.
And then
That's why I picked this image.
I mean, this picture is also hot.
Hot. Okay. Prabhas is hot. Antuna Malavika.
I mean, in the picture, he's looking hot. So.
Hot.
Damn cute. Yeah, very cute.
Do you have any?
He's very good looking. Yeah. When I see him, I'm like, oh, he's so good looking.
Okay. So you wanted to say he's so cute like that?
Yeah, he's very cute. He's very good looking.
Whom do you feel very hot, very energetic, everything? in one hero. So what you wanted to say? Which one you will pick?
Can I say Ram?
Ram.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're promoting your film, right? So that's why Ram.
No,
you're
he
very
is-
smart.
He is very energetic and he is hot. You don't find him hot?
Yeah, hot, cute,
Then-
everything.
Yeah, he's cute, he's hot, and he's energetic. So yes, Ram.
Okay. In heroines, do you follow like any other?
I think, I mean, I like Samantha ma'am's performance, and I love Sai Pallavi. I mean, the way she acts, the way she dances, and how comfortable she is in her own skin without makeup, without doing
Yeah,
hair,
that's
and
a
that is
really
something
great guts, right?
very rare for an actress, you know. So to not wear makeup and still be so confident on screen. I've never seen something like that. So yeah,
Okay. And I heard you are a big fan of Shah Rukh Khan.
yes, I am.
Why?
Why? Do you
Yeah,
even
I
have to
know.
ask me why?
Even I am fan
I
of.
mean-
Who hates him? He's like heartthrob.
यार बचपन से लेके बुढ़ापे तक सब
हाँ.
सब शाहरुख फैंस है. शाहरुख फैन कौन नहीं होता?
Your expressions got changed when I said Shah Rukh Khan. Oh, okay.
हाँ.
Very nice. So, if you got a chance to work with him, which role you wanted to play?
I forgot.
Do you accept like sister roles like that?
अरे नहीं यार.
You wanted a girlfriend? Like
Listen,
something
I want to wear a chiffon sari.
Uh-huh.
And I want to dance with him in those cold places and in snow and everything. And I want to wear such a beautiful chiffon sari with him and dance. Yeah.
Nice, nice. So you are like maintaining very good, and I have seen all your rope dances in Instagram. They are like very entertaining also.
See, that's what I've done after my first one. I think after your first one, you realize a lot of things. You notice the way you look, the way you do things, and that's why actually for this film I kept a Telugu tutor, because I wanted the audience to connect. I just didn't want the audience to feel कि अच्छा she is some girl from Mumbai जो आई and she tried to speak in Telugu and चली गई. नहीं, I wanted the audience to connect to the character, because this character is really important in the film, and I mean this character is very important for me also. So that's why I wanted the lines to be perfect, like because I can't take prompting. That is something which I cannot do. So for me it was ki nahi, I have to learn my lines properly. I should know the meaning of each and every word, so that I'm able to perform better, because if you know the language, it shows
Yeah,
the confidence. You can see the confidence.
Right.
There's a lot of difference in the confidence, I feel, and that's what I wanted. And I really wanted the Telugu audience to feel कि अच्छा she's some Telugu Ammai and not a Mumbai girl.
So what you wanted to tell your audience?
I just want to tell the audience that this film Red, which is releasing on Sankranti 14th January, and it's releasing, movies have started releasing now, and all the theaters have been taking proper precautions. So let's just celebrate this Sankranti. It's 2021, guys. So let's celebrate this Sankranti in theaters with our film Red. Hi, this is Malvika Sharma. Please subscribe to TFPC.